Hello, welcome to this demo. I will show you how to manage your inventory control with Excel sheet. Most of the time you'll get a list of barcodes and a list of quantities in two columns. The trouble is removing the doubles. Imagine you meet this product 1001, quantity 2, then you meet it again and you count 6 pieces, and then you see it again, you count 2 pieces. The trouble is to remove the double lines and to sum up the values to get the real total quantity. This can happen as well if you have different people counting pieces in different Excel sheets. You want to merge all the Excel sheets together and get the correct quantities at the end. So I click somewhere to have the data displayed. I click on the Insert button, select Pivot Table, select the range, click OK, and then on the left I select barcode. I want barcodes to go into the rows. I want the quantities to go into the column, and then I get the right list of my inventory. Thank you very much. Don't hesitate to visit smartinventorymanager.com.